দেখো এটা 2019 February March. So you are going to prepare a spreadsheet model for use by employees of Glorious Garden. Open these files in a spreadsheet package and examine their content. Trees, categories, and tree codes. Tree categories and tree codes. Tree categories and tree codes. So examine means we have to check all these files, clear everything. So that's it. In the trees, especially place your name, center number, card number on the right of the header. In the trees spreadsheet, this is trees. Insert. I'll insert header footer on the right. Center number. Name, center number, candidate number. Next, an automated file name including the file path on the left of the footer. So left of the footer. And path. File name and file path is done. Then we'll go to the views, normal view, so that it will come to the normal. And then in the trees spreadsheet, insert 3 rows, 3 new rows before row 1, and it should be like this. So check it out. Right click over here, insert, again, insert, again, insert. Next, Glorious from A to M. We have to A1 to M5. So A1 to M5 we will merge and center. Also, we have to save the spreadsheet file name as trees underscore this thing. So file save as ours. Underscore SI172 underscore like this. Now glorious glorious garden. Glorious gardens. Native British trees and shrubs. Native British N and B is capital. Native British trees and shrubs. And now all these things are transferred. There is Arial. Both of them are Arial. Make it bigger. So here 1 2 3 is hidden. Italic white. Then all these things will be bold and left aligned. So it is done. Now take the screenshot. You have to take the screenshot from here. Take the screenshot from here to here. And we have to place it in the evidence document. In evidence 7. Let's start with this one. Enter a function in D5. So let's see what is D5. This is D5. So what it wants. So this is the category, and we have to enter the code LT. That would be trees or shrubs from the source from the file category CSV. Do not edit the source file. So source file is actually the category CSV. So we have the category CSV. What is the matching? We have the LT, MT, and this is the size category, and this is the LT. So we will find out. So now we'll go for the VLOOKUP. We are looking for this one, and our data is from this LT, and we want to print the second row and the exact values. Okay, last three. Do not edit. Okay, so we'll replicate this thing. Medium tree, all are done. Now the L code, T code, and D code columns hold the code that trees the shrubs like tolerates or dislikes certain environmental factors. Enter functions in cell I5, J5, K5 to look up the environmental factors from the source file tree codes. So see here, T code will do the tolerance over here. According to this code, we'll write down the formula over here. According to D code, we'll write down the D codes, and like this. L code is for likes. So when there is blank, we'll keep it blank. If it is blank, we'll keep it blank. First of all, this is the formula. So let's write it if function. If we'll start, if this cell is equals to, is not equals to, actually it's not equals to, we'll go for different way, not equals to blank, then we'll do something, that is our VLOOKUP. Okay, that is our VLOOKUP. So what we are looking for, we are looking for this value over here in the table array of tree codes, which is from here. I cannot see that. So it will be starting from here to here, and we will print out this one, second column, and its value will be exact. Okay, but if this one is not okay, then we will keep it blank. Okay, that is the if function. That is the if function. So in this way, if we replicate this, C for K is alkaline, L code. So K for alkaline soil, that's okay, isn't it? So alkaline soil is coming. So similarly, we have to do the tolerance and dislikes. Tolerance code will be finding from the T code, and these likes will be finding from the decode. So let's do it. Equals to if again, if this cell is not equals to blank, then we'll go for lookup, and the function we will be looking up this value where in our tree code, and we'll print the second column exact values. We are done. But if it is not, then definitely we will return blank. Okay, we'll return blank. Now again in this function, if this one is less than, is not equals to blank, then we look up function. We'll be looking up dislikes decode, and we'll look into here. We'll print the second column and exact values. Yes, and if not, we will return 0. I mean blank. So that's it. Again, we will replicate. So all have come. So this is A for this one. Dislikes are there. So we are done. Do not edit the source. Make sure when all these functions they do not display any error message. Yes, we have done this. Replicate these functions. We have done this. Hide columns C, F, G, H. So we don't need any more. C, by using the control button C, F, G, H, we will hide. Okay. Then save and print the spreadsheet showing the formula. Let's see. So we'll go to formulas, show formulas, and so CFGS was not our display. We'll hide, and we'll go for the printout. What the printout they want? Only row 1 to 29 are visible. So again we have to check this one. Row 1 to 29. So we'll make row 1 to only 29. Page layout, set print area, and we're done. So it's in the landscape orientation. Row and column headings will be displayed and fully visible. So let's see. File, print, page setup. Fit to maybe 2 pages. Let's see. And the page orientation is landscape. So it is getting very smaller. So we'll increase it to, what if is 3? Let's check it out. So 3, better is 4. Yeah, better is 4. Yeah, now it's okay. So we can go for the print from here. Now we'll get back to our formulas, like whatever they wanted in this way. So printout is done. Now we'll create a spreadsheet extract from the data showing the trees or shrubs that are a small tree, large shrub, or medium shrub. So a small tree, large shrub, or medium shrub. So if in this one we have to go for the filtration from the home. Filtration from the home. And from here we have to check the small tree, large shrub, medium shrub. And this three will select. So these are our data, and then we have evergreen. So evergreen, what is this? Better evergreen. Oh, that's evergreen. Is yes, we will select evergreen as yes, and so these are the things. Now this set was display the common names like tolerance and displayed evergreen and notes columns for the selected data. Only the common name should be there. Likes tolerance, no, Latin name is not required. Hide. What is this? Not required, and also not the category as well. Hide. So it's saying likes, tolerance, and dislikes, evergreen, and notes. So likes, tolerance, dislikes, and also these things we don't need. So now this selection, print the spreadsheet extract showing the values. Make sure the printout fits on a single page and header, footer, and content are specified cells are fully visible. So we'll go for the print. Oh, we have to deselect this one. Page layout, set print area, clear print area. And let's see, yes, all have come. Especially extract values, make sure the printer fits in a single page. Yes, it is printing. Header, footer, and contents of the specified cells are fully visible. So header, footers are all showing over here. So we'll go for the print. Next, there is printout we have done. Save and print out your evidence documents. We are done over here. And for the fast printout, we had to go for the set out, not here actually. We had to go for the sheets for the row and heading columns. I missed that one. Where is that? That is from here, this printout. Okay, thank you.